What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video, and I'm coming to y'all. Y'all see the new glasses that I got? I got these right here for y'all though. That way we're gonna test it out and see how it works vlogging. So I gotta do these I gotta do the rear brake cylinders on the Tahoe. So this video we're gonna do the rear brake cylinders on Tahoe, and I'm still waiting on my package to come from Gabe Farrell Productions because I entered his giveaway, and it's been like a month since I entered, and I'm still waiting on my package. So you got to get better with that, buddy. You got to get better. If I order my stuff, I want it right away, or a couple days. Let me get that Amazon delivery time. But yeah, nothing much has been going on. We've been getting a lot of bad weather, like weird weather. Like it snowed, rained, and sleeted all in 1 week. And it probably rained for like 2 days, which is weird. So I don't know what's going on with our weather. It's supposed to be expecting a blizzard up here. But anyway, if you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe, join the Fizzle Gang. And with that being said, let's get into the new Metavision. Y'all can see I got the cameras right there. These are the Ray-Ban Metas. I got the transitions lenses in them too, but I've probably been wearing them for like a week now, and they're pretty good. I mean, I like them. I wear them all day now because I can do everything hands-free, and y'all know I'm a maintenance tech, so like I need both of my hands. I can't be like talking on the phone and trying to do stuff like that, So with these, I can listen to music, I can send text messages, I can call people. It reads my text messages back to me. I could take photos. I could take videos up to 3 minutes. I think when you first get them, the videos are only set for like 30 seconds or something like that. But you can adjust it up to like 3 minutes. So I have mine adjusted up to 3 minutes, and yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on the journey, and y'all let me know what y'all think of the new Ray-Ban Metas. Yeah. We hands free now. We hands free now because I got them new Metas. Yeah, I had to get them. I sure did. I had to get them. That way I could be hands free. Yeah, y'all see how G-Pop looking. But anyway, what we got going on today is we're changing some rear wheel brake cylinders, and I already got this doggone thing tore apart. I mean, it's fairly easy. The old one was pretty trashed. It ripped apart. Let me put some doggone gloves on. Yeah. Y'all see how I be looking? Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. You see how your boy be looking. Anyway, the other one was kind of ripped apart. Let me get over here so I can show it to y'all. Yeah. It was definitely ripped apart. Yeah. See right here? You see right here? That doggone boot was ripped, and the plug came out. See that right there? Yeah. It was toe up. It was leaking, and we kept adding fluid to it, and the fluid just kept disappearing. But I didn't see it until I had Corey pump the brakes real hard, pump them. I was adding it, and as you can see, the big ginormous puddle right there. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So that's what we're doing today. We got our new parts over here. Let me show y'all the doggone part number. There go the part number right there. 33961. Yeah, so we're gonna put the doggone thing on there. Let me open this up. We're gonna put them doggone thing on there and bleed the doggone brakes. You know what I'm saying? But there it is. New wheel cylinder. Looking real sturdy, real scrumptious. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put that on there, and we got us some brake fluid, Max .3. Yeah. All right. So in order to get that old cylinder off, I had to use a 10 millimeter, and then I believe this this fitting right here. I believe that fitting is a 9. I believe, no wait, it's not a 9. Hold on. I don't know, but it's all chewed up, so guess what? I used a doggone pipe wrench on it. I know I ain't supposed to do that, but guess what? I did it anyway. You know why? Because it's my truck. I did it because it's my truck, and it worked. It worked just fine. So y'all can see the old plug right there that popped out. But anyway, I just wanted y'all to see that.
That's why the doggone thing was leaking.
Yeah, that's why I was leaking. Yeah, because of that doggone, which I done already replaced all of this right here. And it's pretty dirty. It's pretty chewed up. But you know what? The brake pads are still good. The brake pads are still good. Brake pads still good. Yeah. So, yeah, so let's go ahead and snap to it. Yeah, so we're going to put this in there. So the way that I recommend putting this in there is put it in loosely first. So you want to slide that mug in there like that, because I'm going to have to adjust this out. Put it in loosely first, because if you tighten that doggone thing up, sometimes you may not be able to, if you put that thing in there tight first, you might not, you need that little wiggle room in order to get the line in there, to get that line in there. And we're gonna have to adjust this doggone thing out anyway. So let's see, move over there, buddy. Get over there, buddy. So you need that extra play. You need that extra play to get in there. Hold on. I can't even find the hole. Oh, there it is right there. Yeah, see? Okay, I got a few threads on it. See that right there? See how it's loose like that? So now we can get this in there and move it around where we need to move it, if we need to move it. Yeah, see that? So I got that thing in there. I got it in there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hope you can. I got it in there, so I'm gonna have to adjust. I'm gonna have to adjust this out, because I think that's where I went. I think that's where I went wrong at. See that right there? I'm gonna have to adjust that to where it's touching. Yeah. So I'm gonna need a screwdriver. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and get a screwdriver. Yeah. Okay. So in the shop, what did I say I needed? Look at this guy. Y'all see this thing Corey done went and bought? He done went and bought this doggone Ford. Ew. Anyway, he got plans for it, and guess what? We're gonna help him do it. Because out of all Fords that Ford make, this is probably one that I like, because it's super reliable. Y'all remember when I first started the channel, I had a Mercury Grand Marquis, and I never gave that thing an oil change or a tune up, and I drove it for like 5 years, and it never let me down. So yeah, that's what we doing. That's what we doing. And then we got this thing right here in here. We got this thing right here in here, you know what I'm saying? So, what did I say I was coming in for? Oh yeah, screwdriver. Okay. First, let me put some more doggone gloves on. Now, you know what? If I was looking for a doggone flathead screwdriver, if I was looking for one, they'd be all over the place. Anyway, I'll be back when I find one. Ha! I found one. It's broke though, but you know what? It's still flat. Ooh. Okay. So, I think this thing is adjusted too far out. That's what I think. So, let's close it up. I'm gonna close it up. I'll close it up to where it's snug. Wait a minute. Wait up, dude. Okay. Yeah, let me close it up to where it's snug. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Okay, I got that thing adjusted out. So what I had to do is I had to rotate that adjuster. But as y'all can see, it's touching on this side, it's touching on this side. So we good. We're just gonna leave it like that. We're gonna leave it like that. I tighten everything up on the back side, so I'm gonna put my doggone. I'll put my doggone drum back on, which, yeah, put my drum back on there. I'd like to rotate them doggone. I would like to rotate them tires while I got this one off. Rotate that one to the front. Yeah, that's probably what I'm finna do. All right. Yeah. Getting these doggone. Buttoning this doggone thing up right here. I don't want to crack my caps. Ooh, cracked a little bit. I heard it. I heard it squirm. It'll be fine. Yeah, I got them rotated on this side, which they were starting to cup. If y'all can see that tread right here, see how high that tread is right there versus how low it is over here. So they needed to be rotated, because this is pretty even. This on this side, they're pretty even. They needed to be rotated in the front before we get a big snow. So we got this side done. I'm gonna go ahead and knock the other side out. Oh, let me see. Okay, we up off the ground over there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and knock the other side out and rotate the tires. Rotate the tires, do that rear, do this rear brake cylinder. Because this rear brake cylinder, it ain't bad on this side, but when you do them brake cylinders, y'all remember, do the brake cylinders in pairs. You know what I'm saying? So if I don't do the brake cylinder on this side, it's probably gonna go out in a couple of weeks. So yeah, but anyway. Hey man, listen, I just told him, I only got one request about my brakes. Don't let Mike's black ass work on my damn shit. Get your damn hands off me.
I thought the reason you come up here to hear him run his mouth.
Yes.
Only reason.
Yes.
I'm busy as hell.
You are not busy. You don't even look busy. You're not dirty. The only thing, let me see your hands. Ain't done a doggone thing.
You just don't know the stuff I do when I come in this place in the morning.
Look, I got you on video.
Doing what? Working?
You ain't working. You're standing there with a walkie-talkie. You holding that walkie-talkie.
You got a camera on your phone.
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
Look at
You like that?
Don't call. Put
Huh?
the pin right there.
About 400.
I see the bitch flashing now, yeah.
Yeah, you see it flashing.
So what can you see me for?
See what I'm saying?
I kind of see some flash in my face.
Yeah, but see, he was oblivious to it. Yeah, y'all see, I had to take my doggone truck to Streets Automotive because I couldn't get that rear wheel cylinder to it kept pushing out. So I took it to them, and the rear, one of them brake shoes was bent. I'm surprised I didn't see that, but one of the brake shoes was bent, so it wouldn't let it adjust all the way out. But it is what it is. When you got 1,000,001 things going in your brain, you do. I mean, sometimes you need a second opinion. And I'm not saying I'm the best mechanic in the world. I can only do what I can do. You know what I'm saying? But if I do have a problem, I will get a second opinion from people that I trust. But yeah, man, it's more stuff wrong with that doggone truck too, man. Cause I haven't drove it in maybe 4 months, but I got in it and it was misfiring real bad. Misfiring on when I went to go pick it up. to take it back to the house. It was misfiring real bad. So me and my son did the spark plugs on it. So what had happened, I did one side, he did the passenger side. He left the spark plug wire laying on the manifold, so it caused it to arc. So now I'm gonna have to redo those spark plugs. I'm probably gonna have to redo that coil. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to redo the coil. So I'm gonna order that stuff and do that stuff. I already did the plug wires yesterday. I did the plug wires and I did the rotor button and the cap. It helped it out a little bit, but it's still, I need to get them spark plugs out of there and take them spark plugs back, because I'm pretty sure one of them has filed out from the spark plug wire sitting on the manifold. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'll learn them something one of these days, gang. But anyway, man, if y'all haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm just throwing up a little quick video for y'all, because it is cold. It is cold up here in the in the doggone east. Yeah, it's cold, and we've been getting some crazy weather. And I don't have no heat in my shop. And yesterday, I would have filmed like me doing the rotor button and cap and all that stuff like that, but there's plenty of videos out there of people doing that. So I didn't, and I like to froze to death, man, because it was cold and it was raining. So man, I like to froze. But I got it done, and I'm gonna do the same thing in G-pop. But I was cold yesterday, so I didn't end up doing it. But I got the stuff. It may happen today, but man, it's so gloomy outside. Like, it's gloomy. I mean, it took forever to light up. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. If anything else interesting happened, man, I'll let you guys know. Oh, and man, I meant to tell y'all, somebody backed into the Equinox. They backed into it. So guess what? We don't have the Equinox. The Equinox is in the shop. And the thing about it is, the girl was going to leave. When she backed into it, she was going to leave. But luckily, my girl was sitting in the car when she backed into it. So she got out and was like, hey, no, we got to call the cops. You know what I'm saying? Because she backed into it. Hey, you got to be careful when you're backing up. Turn your head. Turn your head to see where you're going. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's just a little update. But they do got us in this doggone Jeep Compass, and I can tell you right now, that doggone Jeep Compass is a piece of heap of crap. It's a piece of heap of crap, man. I hate that doggone thing. I hate it. I ain't even gonna lie. Ready to get back into Chevy. But yeah, anyway, man, like, share, comment, subscribe. Join the Fils gang. And yeah, man, with that being said, I'm checking out. Peace.